He has been with us for a very long time.
Usama.
He has been. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Usama is back again here, and today is the 4th of January. We were staying in our accommodation in the Dades Valley, and here you can see the beautiful view in the morning. The mountains, the red mountains, and all the view with those houses which look like mud houses. Black coffee for Mohammed, makes sense.
No, this
Also, Mubarak. Mubarak is a very nice guy. He has been with us for a very long time.
Usama.
He has been driving
Usama
us
or
all the
Usama?
way. Usama.
Yes.
Thank you.
But they calling you Usama.
Yeah, they are stupid. They are stupid. अभी जो है वो हम तैयार पकड़ रहे हैं, तैयारी पकड़ रहे हैं to start our journey towards Marrakesh with one and only Mubarak, our tour guide, a very kind and nice person. And let's see, it's gonna be fun. Mohammed, are you ready? Yeah. It's such a wonderful view. Calm down.
Calm down.
Mubarak.
Yes.
What's the name of the famous street in Marrakesh that you were saying?
Famous square.
Yeah.
Jamal Fina Square.
What is it?
Jamal Fina.
Jamel Fina. Rose Valley.
Valle de Rosas.
Buy a small cake. Small cake for Mubarak.
So guys, if you are in Morocco, the only place to buy alcohol is Carrefour. And that's interesting because in Pakistan you cannot buy alcohol even though we are also Muslim country. So you see, that's how you accommodate foreigners. If you don't, what you get is what you are getting right now. So we have Barilla here, very nice, fancy Italian pasta. Not bad, not bad. I'm liking it. Guys, it's happy birthday of Mubarak. He got
Wait for Louis. Wait for Louis.
Yeah, let's wait for him.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
You're good.
How
Our
can
guide.
we not?
Our guide.
We have to cut.
So
the
here we
cake.
have a cake for Mubarak for his
It's a-
28th
Yeah.
birthday
Yeah, nice, nice.
in the middle of Sahara.
No, it's not Sahara.
A little bit away of the Sahara.
A little bit away, but it's okay, it's okay.
Gate to the Sahara.
The gate.
Yeah, here we
the
come.
It's the gate to the Sahara.
Gate to Sahara.
Yes.
Okay.
Wait. He's gonna do with the GoPro.
Very good, very good, very good.
Happy birthday
Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Very good, very good, very good.
Very good driver. Very good.
So guys, right now we are here at a viewpoint. This is the place which is known as Zerzes, if I am not pronouncing it wrong. Also, it is like if you translate, it becomes like the noiseless, so the town which is noiseless. And this is the place where they shoot some of the Hollywood movies. So for example, that structure over there you see is the place where they shot the Gladiators movie basically, and also this is for other different shootings. And it's a very wonderful view also with the sun today. It's very nice weather, and with those high Atlas mountains, it's just superb. We are here, we stopped for some time to get a view, to get some pictures, and it's beautiful. Let's ask Mubarak, who is our tour guide. So what is the name of this town?
The name of this town is Warzazat.
Warzazat, okay.
Yes.
Which is also
it's
called
a Berber name.
Berber name.
Yeah.
Okay.
It means noiseless.
Noiseless.
Yes.
And all the mountains, all these mountains of the size, they are Atlas
These are
mountains.
high Atlas mountains.
High Atlas mountains. Right now it's January, the first week of January, but it's still super sunny.
Yes.
It doesn't feel like winters, but you can see very little snow on some of the very high mountains. But it's really great. And look at this guy, the Berber guy.
Mohammed.
So guys, this UNESCO World Heritage Site was built in the 17th century, and right now nobody lives here. Sometimes it is used for shooting movies.
Yes.
And also in the 17th century, people from Mali, from Timbuktu,
From Timbuktu, Mali.
the caravan, they used to come.
Caravan, not
Caravan.
Caravan with the camel.
With the camels, with the animals, they used to come here, and they would meet other people from other parts of Morocco coming here, and they would used to live here. But now it's just a heritage site protected by UNESCO, and it's a beautiful view. What do you think, on?
I am the view. I am beautiful. Yes.
Man, look how beautiful is this view. It looks like, you know, on one of those movies when you see that there is a shooting that happens like in Gladiators, or for example like in the Rise of Ottoman Empire. I remember that there are some old structures shown from the centuries ago. Looks something like this. This landscape beats everything. Now we are making our way for a little hike all the way up to have a beautiful view of this UNESCO World Heritage Site, Ayat bin Hudud. I absolutely love this scenery, but it's too hot. I mean, like I was saying before, that it's the peak of winter basically, but it is still so hot. I cannot imagine that in August what would happen. Look at this view. You cannot beat this view. Absolutely stunning. So guys, अभी हम जो है वो hike करके have come to the top of this UNESCO World Heritage Site. These are old people, very tired. And this is the young blood, like a gladiator. And here we have the beautiful view of the valley. Such a nice place. Look at all these houses.
चलेगा yeah. I want to test this behavior.
Moroccan salad. fecha Mubarak. Andalusia. At an altitude of 2260 meters above the sea level, high Atlas Mountains.
Yes.
It's a beautiful view here, and there is nothing better than a beautiful view from the top of a mountain. Thanks to Mubarak, who brought us here. He was about to sleep on the way. It was
No.
going to be a tough ride.
No, you lie.
Now you
Don't
see,
lie for them.
we have to make this zigzag. This zigzags all the way down.
Yes.
And we are going to Marrakesh. We love Morocco. It's a beautiful country. Thanks to the people.
Thanks.
Thanks
for you
to
as
everyone.
Well. Thanks for you as well.
you, everyone.
For choosing Morocco as your destination.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
We are more than happy. And look at
Yalla.
my dress.
Yalla, yalla.
1 second. One second.
This is the last cigarette that you will have to smoke in this way.
I think we should listen to some
Marrakesh.
music now. No, like we listen to everything. We listen to some music.
Brother,
No, okay.
thank you so much.
Thanks to Mubarak. Very nice and kind guy. You got a hug.
You're welcome, bro.
Thank you so much. Don't forget to send me the song. Vaya, vaya, vaya. Did you see? He likes it. So guys, finally we have arrived in Marrakesh, and it was a very long journey, and now we are in our apartment. It looks like Pakistani apartment. Let me show you quickly. There is this lounge with some sofas, a TV, and this is our room. We have a little kitchen. We have 2 boys' beds, and there is the bathroom. Very Pakistani style. And now we are going to get some dinner because we are so tired of eating tagine. We decided to go for another cuisine, and we found that there is a Thai restaurant nearby. So we are gonna go check that one and get some dinner. It's a very tiring day so far. I think after dinner we are gonna just sleep, and probably tomorrow we're gonna explore Marrakesh. Looks like a good city, big city, crowded, and but it's good. So let's go get some dinner. So guys, we decided to try Thai food. Here we are. Looks delicious. Let's give it a try.
It's good that he bought very clear 3 portions.
Rolls, fried rolls with chocolates inside and ice cream. We are back in our room after a very good dinner. What a nice day, what a hectic day, and it was so much fun. I think we had a very good dinner. What do you think?
Perfect Thai
Perfect. I think we're gonna go there again at least once, if not
Never
2 times.
disappoints.
So today's video, we're gonna finish it here. I hope you liked the video, you enjoyed the content, and in the next video you will see us exploring Marrakesh and the Medina and all the tourist attractions. And until then, I wish you a good one, and see you very soon. Bye.